ice and in the history books, the Kern County Knights are looking to clinch a win in the first ever LA Kings High School Hockey Championship. 23 ABC's Tweelon Nugent joins us live this morning with how the team is preparing for their journey. Good morning, Tweelon.
Jessica, good morning. Now, it's a pretty big deal because it is the first ever high school hockey championship, and it's being played in LA in just a few hours. But you know what? We have one of the girls that's on the team here. Her dad also happens to be the coach, but I've heard he doesn't give her any special treatment, so it's fine. But Bella, thank you so much for waking up. Tell us a little bit about what it's like to play on a team where your dad also is like a former player, also now your coach.
You know, it's different being the only girl on the team, but some of the boys go easy, some of the boys go harder, or just as much as the other boys. And it's pretty cool having my dad as my coach. He's been my coach since my freshman year, and I'm a junior now, so it's nice to see the development that I've made, and also having my dad right by my side. So
yeah. And it's a pretty big deal also being the only girl, because you're one of very few, correct?
Yes, there's about 3 to 4, maybe more, but not much in the high school hockey league.
And what's it like when you're on the ice and there's other boys all around? Do they treat you any differently?
You know, it just depends on which team we're playing. I have been hit pretty bad a couple times, but I like to be just as rough as they do, so.
Well, fantastic. Good luck. She's headed down there with them, you guys, today. There's 5,000 seat limit, so that means a whole bunch of you can head down to LA and cheer on this high school hockey team, because it is such a huge deal. It's at the Staples Center, so if you've never had a chance to get down there, it would be a great time as well, because it is free. So head down there. Jessica, I don't know about you, but LA's not too far, so I think I might want to go down as well.
Can I ride with you? Would that be okay? I just don't want to drive,
yeah,
but I'll go.
A good little day trip, right?
Yay! Yes, that sounds good. And then we'll be back tomorrow morning.